We'll guide you through how to download apps on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video, so you can go and get more apps on your device. You may want to go and get a certain game, a certain entertainment app, or another type of app. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how this is done, so make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. To go and get started, what we need to do is we need to go and look for the Play Store. This is where we go and get apps from. So you may go and have it on one of your home pages here, or you can swipe up, press search at the top, and you can go and type in Play Store, and then we can go and tap on it and go and open it up. So here is basically a marketplace, and it's where we can go and browse different apps we could get. If there's a specific one you want, you can press search at the bottom and search for the top. Otherwise, for different categories, you can go and navigate through. I could come to the top charts, let's say. We could go top 3 or top paid on top grossing, and you can then find one you want to go and get. When you go and see an app you want to go and get, what you can do is we can simply go and tap on it. So I'm going to go and find an example app. Let's go and set on one of Microsoft Teams here. I've tapped on it, and what you can do is you go and press install. Now you need to go and wait for it to go and download. It will start with pending. You'll go and see the progress here. The time this takes will depend upon the speed of your internet and the size of the app. It will then automatically install. Now it will go and say open when it's finished. It won't be much longer, as you can see there, but you can come out of here and you can swipe up and you can swipe across until you find it, and you can tap and hold your finger on it and you can add it to your home so you can easily access it.